In this video, I'm going to show you the fast and easy way to create a YouTube channel in 2026. So while you're on the YouTube page, like this is youtube.com, what you want to do is click on this profile icon here at the top right corner. Then click on create channel from here. Now you have an option to enter the channel name and your handle. So I'm just going to, you can also enter a picture, that's optional, but what I want to do is enter a channel name. So I've prepared the name I want to use. I'm just going to copy it. Perfect cat care. Yeah, I'm a cat lover, so they say do what you love. I'm gonna do what I love. As you can see, the handle has changed. Now I have perfect care and then this. So I'm just gonna create channel. Okay, so the channel has been created. Now as you can see, this icon is showing the initials of my channel name, and here you have the details of your channel, which of course you have to improve. And to do that, you have to go to customize channel. So I'm going to click on customize channel. So as you can see, what they say here is welcome to YouTube Studio. So once you want to customize your channel, you're redirected to YouTube Studio. That's where you do everything that needs to be done. So I'm just going to click on continue. All right, so here we are, Ask Studio, a creative partner. Okay, this is Studio AI. Just going to close that for now. So here we have banner image. This image will appear across the top of your channel. So I'm sure you've seen those channels that usually have images on top of their channel. This is where you actually upload that. When we're done with ours, we will see how it looks. So I'm just going to upload the banner image I've already prepared. I have one already. Okay, this is how it's going to appear. You can arrange it from here. As you can see, this is viewable on TV. So on TV, this is how it's going to look. On desktop, this is how you're going to look. So the user is only going to be able to see from this point to this point. On TV, the user would see everything. So here they say viewable on all devices. This includes mobile and every other device. I'm just going to click on done and continue. Yeah, so we have that uploaded already. Then you scroll down and select a profile image. So I'm just going to click on upload to upload a profile image. Yeah, so this is our profile image and this is how you're going to see it appear on our channel. So I'm going to click on done. Yeah, our channel is beginning to take shape. Now here, this is the name of our channel. We have the name figured out already. This is the handle and this is the address of your channel. That includes like the slash here pointing to your handle. Now you enter a description. You want to make sure that your description is really descriptive in the sense that it's optimized for SEO, and also user can also read it and get in an instant what your channel is all about. I've prepared one already for our channel, so I'm just going to copy it from so just gonna copy this, come here and paste. Yeah, so this is this. Welcome to Perfect Cat Care. Get the best of cat care tips from experts around the world right here in one place. So this is just how it works. Then here you can add language if you want to. So this is the original language and this is the language you want to translate to. You enter your channel name and everything. I'm not going to do that. Down here I have the channel URL. This is the standard web address for your channel. It includes your unique channel ID, which is the numbers and letters at the end of the URL. So as you can see this, you can just copy this and send this to anyone and they will directly come to your channel once they click on this. Here we have links. Share external links with your viewers. They will be visible on your channel profile and about page. So you can just enter your social media links here like Facebook, X, or whatever else you want to enter. You can also enter your website. Okay, so you enter the link title and then enter the URL. Okay, this is optional though. You don't have to if you do not want to. Then here you enter your info. Let people know how to contact you with business inquiries. The email address you enter may appear in the about section of your channel and be visible to viewers. So you just enter an email here that you want to make available to the public. All right. So I'm not just going to enter an email for this. Now, this is the video watermark. Usually you find this watermark here at the bottom right of your channel videos. So if you want that, all you just have to do is click. What I usually do is I use my logo to do that. So if you just click on upload, once you're on upload, I usually just click on my logo and done. And that is it, it's done. So if you want to see what you've done so far, yes, I'm gonna delete this because I'm seeing some warning here. I don't want to add any links. So now once you're done with everything you've entered and you feel satisfied, what you want to do is click on publish. All right, you publish so you can see what your channel looks like. So just click on go to channel. Alright guys, so as you can see, our channel is now taking shape. Everything we've done has been reflected on our channel. If you click on more here, you're going to see your description and every other detail. This is the URL. This is when we joined. To continue with the creation of our channel, what we want to do is click on this profile icon here, and then we can just go to YouTube Studio. Now here on YouTube Studio, you click on settings. Alright, so here on settings you have general. You choose your currency. So you can change it if you want, depending on what currency you actually deal on. And then here we'll come to channel. So on this tab we have country of residence. So you choose your country of residence, whatever that is. I'm just going to choose. So I'm going to choose Nigeria. And then you enter some keywords based on what your channel is about. I'm going to enter cards. Cat care, and just leave it at that. You can enter more, of course, if you want. This is the limit here. While you're entering, you just be observing this. Then there's advanced settings. So you just play around with this, look into this, and know what you want, read through, and it's very easy to understand. Once you read through it, you know what you're supposed to do and decide on which one to actually pick based on your needs or what you're doing. Like this now, they say, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Of course, for me, I would not want to. Right, you can just say I want to review these settings for every video. No, so I'll just say no, set this channel as not made for kids. I almost never upload content that's made for kids. I understand that kids too can watch cat videos, but there's a reason why you don't want to set this as made for kids, particularly if you are not, specifically targeting children. Okay, so we'll just leave it at that for now. And then feature eligibility. This is where you do your verification. So standard features: upload videos, create playlists, and add collaborators and new videos to playlists. This is enabled by default once you create your channel. Now this is intermediate features: videos over 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, and live streaming. So to be eligible for this, you have to provide the following: provide your phone number to verify. So you click on this and enter your phone number. So if I should just click on this, I'll be prompted to enter my phone number. So you see here, it's saying enter your phone number. So once you enter your phone number, they will send you a code and then you can verify. But for now, I'm not going to do that. Just showing you how to get it done. Advanced features. For advanced features, you do a video verification or you provide a valid ID card, so or channel history. So you just allow your channel to build over time. As you can see here, they said follow our community guidelines to build channel history. For most creators, this usually takes up to 2 months. If you used your ID or video verification access advanced features, we will delete it from your Google account after history is established. So yeah, you just know what you want to do and then you click on save. But these are very important things you need to do if you want to enjoy YouTube. And then here we have upload default. So What this means is that for every single video you upload, this will actually come up. I usually not enter title because my videos cannot, of course, have same titles, but you can add descriptions, not necessarily same descriptions, maybe links you know that you'll be reusing, anything you know you will need to reuse across every video on your channel. You just enter them here. That would make your work easier, when you're uploading videos. And then here we have visibility. You want to ensure it's set for public. Of course, that's if you want to, right? You can change it to private or unlisted, but I believe you want people to see your videos, so you leave it at public. And here you can enter tags. These are just tags you want across every video on your channel. Of course, this is a cat channel, so I can just enter cats, and then cats. Just something like this. Something speaks about your channel. Then once you're done with this, you can enter permissions. You can provide permissions. Here they say introducing stream permissions. Now you can decide who can create and manage the live streams for your channel. That's interesting. So this is a new update, right? You can do this and it's really nice. But for now, I'm not going to do that. So we're going to click on close. This is the owner. And you can actually add permissions if you're working with people. This is where you view the permissions and all that. Here we have community moderation. So this is where you add people who you want to give moderating rights to your channel. Here you can just select the people you want. So basically, you might not be needing this while you're starting out, but it's good to know. You can just read through and understand how this works before you go ahead with it when you're ready to use it. Right, but for now, while you're starting out, you may not need any of this. What you really want to do is to ensure that this is well set, and you complete your verification and ensure that the process is successful. You can have upload defaults, and you can provide permissions if you want. This is also not necessary when you're starting out. All right, so but if you want to, of course, go for it. Now, by the way, even as a Nigerian, you want to leave your currency as USD, US dollar. All right, even if you're an African, just leave it at this. This is okay. And once you're done and you're satisfied with everything, what you want to do is just click on save. As you can see here, it said settings saved. So that is just it, guys. As it is right now, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and upload the video. Now to do that, you just have to click on upload videos. When you click on this, it will take you to your system file explorer, where you can then select the video that you want to upload. So there you have it, the easy and fast way to create your YouTube channel in 2026. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like and share as well. Thank you and see you in the next one.